welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a first impression demo tutorial style video. So this is a wheel tool. I purchased this off of Etsy on a shop called Drill Pen Frenzy, which if you did not know is actually run by a woman here on YouTube, Diamond Painting by Donnie. So I'm sure you did know, but just in case you didn't. So I ordered the 3-pack of wheels. I think I was on there looking at cover minders and I just happened to see it and I was like, I want to try that. So I put it in my cart. So today we're going to try all 3 sizes. You also get a pretty decent size roll of adhesive, which is fantastic because I had seen other people order off of different sites and they were saying that there wasn't a lot of it. So to my knowledge, this is like double-sided adhesive tape. So you just kind of want to wrap it around the wheel, getting it on there straight. I'm gonna cut it. And you want to peel the covering off. Okay. I'm sure this is a me thing. I'm sure I'm the problem here. Maybe I put too much. Maybe I shouldn't have had it overlap. And I'm going to leave this in the video, me struggling. I'm going to leave it in the video so that it is real and not faked. I'm not going to pretend to know what I'm doing when I don't. That is not my style. What is wrong with me? Is this a me thing? Is it because I'm gonna unscrew this and I will try to do it a different way. Okay. That's going really, really well. There we go. I did it. Yay. So we're going to try it both ways. I have seen some people screw the wheel on and I have seen some people just hold it. So we're going to try all 3 sizes both ways. I'm just going to place it down. Oops, I messed it up. That is okay. Okay, not too bad. I actually enjoyed that. And I placed a lot of drills all at once. We're now going to try it without the stick and see what happens. And I'm also going to try it from a different angle too to see if that helps me any with lining it up. Oh, I messed that whole row up. That is okay. So that was the smallest size too and I couldn't control it. Okay, I got a whole wheel this time, all the way around. I actually think I found it easier when I had the stick on, so we're gonna try that again. gonna try it over here. Okay, my drills are not straight again, but I can kind of maneuver them the tiniest bit. 2 stayed on. Let us try with the larger size. Okay, so what I learned from my second go of applying the tape, I learned it is easier to apply less and work around the spot that doesn't have any than it is to apply too much, because then you can't peel the tape up. Let me try here. Okay, that one was actually a lot better. So when you're going along with the wheel tool, you want to kind of be like pushing it against the drill you just placed. See how crooked this top line is, but this bottom line is a lot better. It is almost completely full. I got some tag-alongs here. Let me push them off. And we're going to start here. Some of them are not coming off. But I'm getting better with the placement. So I kind of want to try it with this one without it. Without the stick. Okay, so you can't see what I'm doing when I do it, but I get like really close to it, and I kind of like watch what I'm doing at an angle so I can see as they're going down, and they're going down a lot smoother. Definitely try and make sure that your adhesive tape is straight, because mine wasn't and it's causing a problem. I'm gonna try one more time with this one, just a little bit on there. So I'm coming at it at an angle really close up, and it's working out a lot better. That's almost a perfect line. So I kind of want to try this without the pole that comes with it. So it looks like for me the hardest part is actually taking the covering off. Oh, maybe not. I think I got it. This one came with a little bit of extra on the side, like knobbly on the side. Let me see if I can show you. So I kind of went around it. I don't know if that was a mistake. I guess I'll find out, but we'll see. So I am getting close when I do this one too. That is like a third of a wheel. Let's try a third of a wheel first. Coming at it close again, pressing down pretty hard. It's getting better. My placement is getting a lot better. I want to try it again. Okay, this is a little, right about half a wheel. Okay, coming at it close. Oh, the wheel's stuck. Okay, I'm gonna put this one right here. Okay, now I try again with the pole. I will tell you what my favorite size And favorite method is, I managed to get the entire thing full. They're not perfect though, so we'll see what happens. We're gonna go on the bottom row. Okay, so I think when you are doing this, if you are mindful of the placement of the drills both on the wheel and on the canvas, it's possible to get a straight line, a straight-ish line, okay? So none of these lines are perfect, but you can actually see on here, and I will bring it close so that you can see on here how spotty the first line is with the little one, and then the medium one is kind of but the longer or the larger one gave me a longer line, and it's not straight, but we have straightening tools and we can fix that, and like we can fill in the gaps and we can move them. We can move the drills. They're not permanently placed. I will say that I had an easier time the larger it went, which is something I didn't realize it was going to happen. I thought that I would be able to have more control over the smaller one, when in actuality I feel that I had an easier time with the larger one as far as control went. I mean, it is harder to fill the whole thing up because it's larger, but I feel that this was actually easier, and I feel like without the pull was easier too, because you have the capability of getting really close and more control, I would say, with the larger wheel without the pull. I feel like you have more control that way. But I invite you to try it. I would recommend, if you have a piece that's like this, where you have a solid blocking and tiny bit of the canvas is going to be different color or confetti. If you can color block and you can put down, how many fits on here? I'm not sure. You know what? Let me test it. So provided you can get them straight on, you can get 35 on the small one. I got 47 on the middle length one and 57 on the largest one. Okay, I wanted to give you a more up close angle so that you can see what I see when I place the drills down. So I come at it like that, making sure that it's on the cymbal, and I'm slowly kind of pushing down and like almost pushing towards the drill I just placed. Now, they are by no means perfect, but I am kind of learning with you guys. I've been working on it quite a bit since I did the original demo. And the drills are not by any means anywhere near straight, but this is a really quick method of placing them down. This is the middle size, so I find that the largest one is the easiest to control and maneuver. I would definitely recommend it. When you're doing it, be very mindful of how they're going on the wheel, mindful of where you're putting the wheel down. But I feel like this is definitely $5 or $6 that I didn't waste. I feel like this was a fun experiment, and I look forward to finding more things to test with you guys. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. If you like me and would like to see more from me, please hit subscribe. I would be happy to have you. If you have anything that you want me to test out and see if it works and you want a video on it, please leave that in the comments because I would be happy to do that for you. And I hope that you are taking care of yourselves. I hope that you're washing your hands and being safe. Bye guys.